Hello, welcome to the CEO dg&la YouTube channel. Hello, welcome to the CEO dg&la YouTube channel.
Are you anxious to know today's Amazon quiz answers and also try to test your luck to win IFB dishwasher? Okay, let us start now. I'm clicking on Amazon app. The page opened. So I'm clicking on top left side 3 horizontal lines. Now home page opened. In that we have to scroll down and you can find programs and features. Click on programs and features. So programs and features page opened. Now here some categories are there. In that we have to scroll down again and we can see fun zone. Click on fun zone. Okay, now fun zone page open now, win prizes every day. So I am again scrolling down to find today's quiz. So here it is, quiz time, and in a light pink like color, now running 24 hours daily, starts at 12 a.m. Answer and win a IFB dishwasher. Now I am going to click on play now button. Play now button open now. Daily quiz time. Answer all 5 questions. Enter the lucky draw to win the prize by answering all 5 questions correctly. Chance to win IFB Neptune VX fully electronic dishwasher. 12 place settings, dark silver. Cost not mentioned here. Okay, I'm going to start to know the today's questions. Okay, the first question here. The film Nomadland stars which of these actresses in the lead role who has won 2 Academy Awards? So here the answers are, options are Meryl Streep, Judi Dench, Frances McDormand, Nicole Kidman. So my guess is Frances McDormand. That is in third. So I clicked on it. Wow, it is right. Bang on. Again we have to wait for the next question. Now question number 2. Here it is. In a recent international friendly match, the Indian football team suffered a 0-6 defeat against which nation? Here the options are Oman, UAE, Bahrain, Qatar. So my guess is UAE. I am clicking on the second option. Wow, second option UAE is right. So superb, you seem to like that. We got the message here. And third question, who are Leica and Trinity? Who are Leica and Trinity, who show how to wear a face mask properly in a trending video shared by Cincinnati Children's Hospital. Here the options are 2 newborn children, 2 cats, 2 horses, 2 dogs. So here my guess is 2 dogs. Okay, so I am clicking on the fourth option, 2 dogs. Wow, it is right. Bang on. Right answer. And now it is the fourth question. And what star is depicted on this country's flag? Here one star is there. So it is related to which country? Options are Sirius, Proxima Centauri, Sun, Star of David. My guess is Star of David. It is. So I am clicking on the fourth option, Star of David. Wow, keep it up. It is right answer. Okay. Now waiting for the next question. Here the today's last fifth question. What is the name given to this fruit? Here one fruit is there. and it looks very delicious. And here the options are passion fruit, dragon fruit, star fruit, kiwi. So it is undoubtedly passion fruit, the first one, right answer. Okay, bang on, it is right. Okay, and now, so all 5 questions right. Well done, you are eligible for a lucky draw in this contest. IFB Neptune VX fully electronic dishwasher. If you want to know whether you won or not, check answers on 25th April 2021.
Dhanyavad. Thank you. If you like this video, do like, subscribe and share. See you in the next one. Bye bye.